Here is 3 businesses that have the best chance of sending you into a financial black hole. If you love losing money, then by all means go ahead and give them a go. Number 1 is day trading. Most people making serious money here are betting thousands and thousands of pounds for marginal gains. They also likely have a lot of money to lose, and if you look closely, most of them are actually making more money teaching you how to trade than actually trading themselves. Absolutely dead. Number 2 is dropshipping. Now, you've heard me say it before, but I'm going to say it again. 10 years ago, getting into this was a money machine. Now, in 2022, every single spotty teenager with an iPhone connection and a TikTok account is selling shitty plastic crap from China that takes 60 days to even land in the customer's doorstep. Customers know it, too many people are doing it. Absolutely dead. And last but not least is real estate. I'm not saying you can't make money in real estate, obviously you can. But if you're looking to real estate as a way to make cash flow and profit, then there are so many better ways to make money. As always, I'm going to get a ton of haters, usually people selling courses. Let me know what you think in the comments.